Okay guys, so today we're going to make Jamaican green banana porridge. And these are all the ingredients we're going to use in order to make our porridge. So here I have 4 green bananas. I have 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of lactose-free milk. I have 1 cup of water. Here I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This here is optional. This is a bay leaf. If you desire, you can also add a bay leaf. It's not traditional, but I'm just giving you an option. Here we have sweetened condensed milk. So if you can use condensed milk, then you can sweeten the whole pot of porridge with sweetened condensed milk. But if you are lactose intolerant, then I would suggest that you pour out your serving size in a bowl, and then you can sweeten it with either honey, with some maple syrup, or some sugar. So let's get started and first peeling our green bananas. Okay, so to peel our green bananas, we're first going to cut off the 2 ends. And then if you notice on the banana, you would see like there's a line here and there's a line here. So we're just going to score along those lines. And then we simply lift and peel. So we're going to do that for all our green bananas. Okay, so here we have our green bananas. I'm just going to rinse them out, and then we're going to put it into our blender. Okay, so we're going to place our green bananas in our blender along with the 1 cup of coconut milk and the 1 cup of your regular milk. So in my case, I use lactose-free milk. And we're just going to blend everything together nicely, as seen here. Okay, so now we bring our 1 cup of water to a boil, and I'm going to add in some salt now. I'm just going to stir that in, and then what I'm going to do is pour in that mixture that I blended with the green bananas and the milk. I'm going to add that to the hot water, and we're going to leave this to cook. I'll be stirring it occasionally for about 13 minutes. Okay, so after it has been cooking for about 13 minutes, we're now going to add in our spices. So there I added in my cinnamon, my allspice, my vanilla essence, and my nutmeg. So I'm just going to stir everything together now, and we're going to leave this to cook for a further 2 minutes. Now you have to keep a close eye on this so that it doesn't bubble up. So you cannot walk away. You need to stay by your stove, and every time you see it starting to come up, you just start stirring it. Now at this point is when you would want to add your condensed milk if you were going to sweeten the whole pot of porridge with that.